Dear children, welcome back. Hope you all are safe at home. Today we will continue the chapter Nonviolence, Wisdom, Power. In the previous class we studied about Mahajanapadas, factories that helped Magadha to grow as a powerful kingdom. Let's learn more about them. This is the proclamation of King Bimbisara of Magadha. Through this proclamation, Bimbisara warned the people that nobody should practice animal sacrifice as part of yaga henceforth. Bloodshedding rituals and offerings in the form of flesh are not permitted. Because cattle were the backbone of agricultural sector in those days, they were essential for ploughing and a source of manure. Extensive killing of cattle as offerings during the yagas adversely affected agriculture. That's why King Bimbisara made such a royal proclamation. The changes in social setup and economy resulted in the rise of new religions in the 6th century BC. Among them, most important religions were Jainism and Buddhism. This led to the great changes in the social order of the time. Jainism propagated by Vartamana Mahavira and Buddhism by Gautama Buddha. It was widespread animal sacrifice that prompted Buddha and Mahavira to spread the doctrine of Ahimsa. Have you heard about Ahimsa? Ahimsa means non-violence. It emphasizes respect for all living things and avoidance of violence towards others. The propagation of Ahimsa led to the protection of cattle wealth and progress in agriculture and production. This caused changes in the economic life of the people. Mahavira and Buddha preached their ideology in the language of the common man. Prakrit was the language that Mahavira used, while Buddha used Pali language. Let's see the principles of Jainism and Buddhism. Right knowledge, right faith, and right conduct are the Jain principles. Buddhist principles are: the worldly life is full of sufferings, desire is the sole reason for unhappiness. One can ward off sufferings if one frees oneself from desires. Adopting the Eightfold Path frees one from desires and sufferings. These are the principles of Jainism and Buddhism. Understand? Let's recall today's class. Today we learned about Jainism and Buddhism. Jainism propagated by Vartamana Mahavira. He used language called Prakrit. Principles of Jainism are right knowledge, right faith, and right conduct. Gautama Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. He used Pali language. Buddhist principles are: life is full of sufferings, desire is the reason for unhappiness, adopting the Eightfold Path frees one from desires and sufferings. Buddha and Mahavira spread the doctrine of Ahimsa. Is it clear? That's all for today. We will meet in the next class with another topic.